మన ఫస్ట్ బిట్. Which one of the following statement is true for assembly language? Option A, this language need not be translated into machine language. Option B, it is the easiest language to write programs. Option C, it use alphabetic codes. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, it use alphabetic codes. Second bit, the statement which is not the characteristic of COBOL is. Option A, it is readable. Option B, it is very efficient in coding and execution. Option C, it is standardized language. Option D, it has limited facilities for mathematical calculations. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, it is very efficient in coding and execution. Third bit, which language can be directly understood by the CPU? Option A, assembly language. Option B, Java. Option C, C. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, assembly language. Fourth bit, the statement that is false regarding FORTRAN is. Option A, it was developed by mathematical calculations. Option B, excessive internal documentation is required. Option C, it is problem oriented. Option D, it is one of the oldest high level language. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, it is one of the oldest high level language. Fifth bit, problem oriented language is. Option A, basic. Option B, PL1. Option C, all of the above. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, all of the above. Sixth bit, the language which is CPU dependent is. Option A, C. Option B, assembly. Option C, all languages except Java. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, all languages except Java. Seventh bit, which computer language is used on internet? Option A, basic. Option B, Logo. Option C, Pascal. Option D, Java. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, Java. Eighth bit, the program which is computed by all computers is. Option A, source language program. Option B, machine language program. Option C, COBOL programs. Option D, basic programs. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, machine language program. Ninth bit, dash is used for developing of various games. Option A, C++. Option B, FORTRAN. Option C, basic. Option D, Java. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, C++. 10th bit, what type of languages can easily interact with the hardware? Option A, very high level languages. Option B, middle level languages. Option C, high level languages. Option D, low level languages. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, low level languages. 11th bit, which program is used for business applications? Option A, FORTRAN. Option C, COBOL. Option C, basic. Option D, C++. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, COBOL. 12th bit, ASCII codes has dash bits. Option A, 8. Option B, 16. Option C, 10. Option D, 24. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, 8 bits. 13th bit, for scientific calculations, which language is used? Option A, SQL. Option D, Java. Option C, C++. Option D, FORTRAN. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, FORTRAN. 14th bit. Which language is the set of rules that tells the computer what operation to perform? Option A, programming language. Option B, command language. Option C, procedural language. Option D, structures. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, programming language. 15th bit. The language which is understood by the computer is option A, machine language. Option B, low level language. Option C, high level language. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, machine language. 16th bit. What is operating system? Option A, collection of programs that manage hardware resources. Option B, system service provided to the application programs. Option C, link to interface the hardware and application programs. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the mentioned. 17th bit. To access the service of operating system, the interface is provided by the dash. Option A, system calls. Option B, API. Option C, library. Option D, assembly instructions. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, system calls. 18th bit. Which one of the following error will be handled by the operating system? Option A, power failure. Option B, lack of paper in printer. Option C, connection failure in the network. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the mentioned. 19th bit. What is the main function of the command interpreter? Option A, to get and execute the next user specified command. Option B, to provide the interface between the API and application program. Option C, to handle the files in operating system. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, to get and execute the next user specified command. 20th bit. By operating system, the resource management can be done via dash. Option A, time division multiplexing. Option B, space division multiplexing. Option C, time and space division multiplexing. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, time and space division multiplexing. 21st bit. If a process fails, most operating system write the error information to a dash. Option A, log file. Option B, another running process. Option C, new file. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, log file. 22nd bit. Which one of the following is not a real-time operating system? Option A, VxWorks. Option B, Windows CE. Option C, RT Linux. Option D, Palm OS. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, Palm OS. 23rd bit. The OS X has dash. Option A, monolithic kernel. Option B, hybrid kernel. Option C, microkernel. Option D, monolithic kernel with modules. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, hybrid kernel. 24th bit. The system which allows only one process execution at a time are called dash. Option A, uniprogramming systems. Option B, uniprocessing systems. Option C, unitasking systems. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, uniprocessing systems. 25th bit. In operating system, each process has its own dash. Option A, addresses, spacing and global variables. Option B, open files. Option C, pending alarms, signals and signal handler. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer yes cheyandi. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ద మెన్షన్డ్. 26th bit. In Unix, which system call creates the new process? Option A fork, option B create, option C new, option D none of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A fork. 27th bit. A process can be transmitted due to dash. Option A normal exit, option B fatal error, option C killed by another process, option D all of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D all of the mentioned. 28th bit. What is interprocess communication? Option A communication within the process, option B communication between two processes, option C communication between two threads of same process, option D none of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B communication between two processes. 29th bit. A set of processes is deadlock if dash. Option A each process is blocked and will remain so forever. Option B each process is transmitted. Option C all processes are trying to kill each other. Option D none of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A each process is blocked and will remain so forever. 30th bit. A process tag does not contain option A function parameters, option B local variables, option C return addresses, option D PID of child process. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D PID of child process. 31st bit. The dash format is usually used to store data. Option A BCD, option B decimal, option C hexadecimal, option D octal. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A BCD. 32nd bit. A source program is usually in dash. Option A assembly language, option C machine level language, option C high level language, option D natural language. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C high level language. 33rd bit. Which memory device is generally made of semiconductors? Option A RAM, option B hard disk, option C floppy disk, option D CD disk. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A RAM. 34th bit. The small extremely fast RAMs are called as dash. Option A cache, option B heaps, option C accumulators, option D stacks. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A cache. 35th bit. The control unit controls other units by generating dash. Option A control signals, option B timing signals, option C transfer signals, option D command signals. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B timing signals. 36th bit. Dash bus structure is usually used to connect IO device, input output device. Option A single bus, option B multi bus, option C star bus, option D RAM bus. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A single bus. 37th bit. To reduce the memory access time, we generally make use of dash. Option A heaps, option B higher capacity RAMs, option C SD RAMs, option D caches. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D caches. 38th bit. Dash is generally used to increase the apparent size of physical memory. Option A, secondary memory. Option B, virtual memory. Option C, hard disk. Option D, disk. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, virtual memory. 39th bit. MFC stand for dash. Option A, memory format caches. Option B, memory function complete. Option C, memory find command. Option D, mass format command. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, memory function complete. First bit. DC shunt motors are commonly used in dash. Option A, centrifugal pumps. Option B, machine tools. Option C, reciprocating pumps. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the above. Second bit. For traction work, which DC motor is used? Option A, series. Option B, shunt. Option C, cumulative compound. Option D, differential compound. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, series. Third bit. In DC motor, option A, speed is directly proportional to flux. Option B, speed is inversely proportional to flux. Option C, speed cannot be changed. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, none of this. Fourth bit. Speed of DC shunt motors are controlled by dash. Option A, flux control method. Option B, rheostatic control method. Option C, voltage control method. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the above. Fifth bit. DC shunt motor is also called as dash. Option A, constant voltage motor. Option B, variable voltage motor. Option C, constant current motor. Option D, constant speed motor. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, constant speed motor. Sixth bit. The number of parallel paths in lap-wound generator are equal to dash. Option A, number of poles. Option B, 2. Option C, number of commutator segments. Option D, number of coils. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, number of poles. Seventh bit. The number of parallel paths in a wave-wound generator are equal to dash. Option A, number of poles. Option B, 2. Option C, number of commutator segments. Option D, number of coils. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, 2. Eighth bit. DC generators are classified according to dash. Option A, number of field poles. Option B, number of armature coils. Option C, the manner in which field windings are connected. Option D, the manner commutator segments are connected. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, the manner in which field windings are connected. Ninth bit. Dash axis in the line which bisects the angle between the two adjacent poles in a DC machine. Option A, MNA. Option B, RNA. Option C, GNA. Option D, DNA. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, GNA. 10th bit. Along the magnetic neutral axis, the flux existing is dash. Option A, maximum. Option B, half of that of flux exists along GNA. Option C, double that of flux exists along GNA. Option 4, 0. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option 4, 0. 11th bit. Speed control of DC shunt motor is below rated speed by dash. Option A, field control. Option B, armature control. Option C, tapped field control. Option D, field and armature control. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, armature control. 12th bit. The motor used for traction work purpose is dash. Option A, shunt motor. Option B, series motor. Option C, cumulative compound motor. Option D, differential motor. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, series motor. 13th bit. A DC generator converts option A, electrical energy to mechanical energy. Option B, mechanical energy to electrical energy. Option C, kinetic energy to mechanical energy. Option D, mechanical energy to kinetic energy. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, mechanical energy to electrical energy. 14th bit. A DC motor converts option A, electrical energy to mechanical energy. Option B, mechanical energy to electrical energy. Option C, kinetic energy to mechanical energy. And option D, mechanical energy to kinetic energy. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, electrical energy to mechanical energy. 15th bit. The principle of operation of DC generator is dash. Option A, Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Option B, Fleming's right hand rule. Option C, Coulomb's law. Option D, Ohm's law. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, Coulomb's law. 16th bit. The range between 1 ohm to 100k ohms are called. Option A, high resistance. Option B, medium resistance. Option C, low resistance. Option D, none. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, medium resistance. 17th bit. Ohm meter is used to find option A, resistance. Option B, current. Option C, voltage. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the above. 18th bit. In wattmeter connection, option A, current coil is connected in series and pressure coil is connected in parallel to the circuit. Option B, current coil is connected in parallel and pressure coil is connected in series to the circuit. Option C, both current coils and pressure coil are connected in series to the circuit. Option B, both current coil and pressure coils are connected in parallel to the circuit. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, current coil is connected in series and pressure coil is connected in parallel to the circuit. 19th one. For measuring current through a line without cutting it open, we use dash. Option A, Megger. Option B, tongue tester. Option C, tachometer. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, tongue tester. 20th bit. Clip-on type meter is also called option A, Megger. Option B, energy meter. Option C, tachometer. Option D, tongue tester. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, tongue tester. 21st bit. The speed of rotating electrical machine is measured by option A, tongue tester. Option B, Megger. Option C, tachometer. Option D, energy meter. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, tachometer. 22nd bit. The driving system of energy meter consists of dash electromagnets. Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, none. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, 2. 23rd bit. The cores of electromagnets used in energy meter are made up of Option A, carbon. Option B, silver. Option C, silicon steel. Option D, phosphorus bronze. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, silicon steel. 24th bit. A wattmeter has option A, 1 coil. Option B, 2 coil. Option C, 3 coils. Option D, none. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, 2 coil. 25th bit. The moving system of energy meter consists of dash. Option A, copper disc. Option B, carbon disc. Option C, aluminum disc. Option D, silver disc. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, aluminum disc. 26th bit. What are the advantages of digital circuits? Option A, less noise. Option B, less interference. Option C, more flexible. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the mentioned. 27th bit. How many bytes does a gigabyte have? Option A, million bytes. Option B, 10 million bytes. Option C, 1 billion bytes. Option D, 10 billion bytes. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, 1 billion bytes. 28th bit. What is the ASCII value of space? Option A, 32. Option B, 48. Option C, 96. Option D, 65. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, 32. 29th bit. Equalizer is used for option A, filtering. Option B, more flexible. Option C, amplifier. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, filtering. 30th bit. Which signal is called as energy signal? Option A, finite energy and zero power. Option B, finite energy and non-zero power. Option C, infinite energy and zero power. Option D, infinite energy and non-zero power. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, finite energy and zero power. 31st bit. Which signal is said to be power signal? Option A, infinite power and zero energy. Option B, infinite power and non-zero energy. Option C, finite power and infinite energy. Option D, finite power and zero energy. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, finite power and infinite energy. 32nd bit. A unit impulse function has option A, large amplitude. Option B, zero pulse width. Option C, unity weight. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the mentioned. 33rd bit. The sampling process includes methods such as. The sampling process includes methods such as option A, filtering. Option B, sample and hold. Option C, amplifying. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, sample and hold. 34th bit. Which process is more economical? Option A, undersampling. Option B, oversampling. Option C, aliasing. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, oversampling. 35th bit. Digital communication is dash to the environmental change. Option A, less sensitive. Option B, more sensitive. Option C, does not depend. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ లెస్ సెన్సిటివ్. 36th bit. What is the value of charging current in short transmission lines? Option A less than medium transmission lines. Option B equal to medium transmission lines. Option C more than medium transmission lines. Option D more than long transmission lines. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C more than medium transmission lines. 37th bit. Voltage regulation of a transmission line should be dash. Option A minimum. Option B maximum. Option C greater than 50%. Option D less than 50%. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A minimum. 38th bit. What is the main advantage of phase advancers? Option A cannot be used for motors below 200 HP. Option B produces noise. Option C can be used where synchronous motor is unadmissible. Option D none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A cannot be used for motors below 200 HP. 39th bit. What is the advantage of the static capacitors? Option A low loss. Option B easy installation. Option C lower maintenance. Option D all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D all of the above. 40th bit. Power factor can be improved by connecting which among this? Option A static capacitors. Option B resistors. Option C synchronous condensers. Option D both A and C. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D both A and C. ఫ్రెండ్స్ నా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ అలానే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.